Lucky, you're going to be so happy that you stayed because the next band is Wolf People, all the way from the UK, and Pickathon is their very first West Coast appearance. And I highly recommend immediately following their set to go buy their latest record, Fane, and chase them down and make them sign it. Ladies and gentlemen, give a huge, huge welcome to Wolf People.
Thanks everyone, it's lovely to be here. I really, really mean that.
Looking for lighthouse keeper, climbing the hill and turn around, falling stones and railway sleepers are scattered like rice across the ground. Seven hunters, poised as if to draw.